Kubli pi bersenpan apa yang supaya pi hari ke channel untuk KHUBOR te la dari sin mi kong pi ke channel kepada pi pa pen subscribe pas press notification bell kena pen miss video yang pelat ma te la mi ka result jong kan ka sectional assistant te pada notification dia kade ka strik jong panai mi asal pun dia ma te beri ni ka result jong ka sectional assistant ke beri jong ka office of deputy commissioner di DSC District Selection Committee is Khasi District Shillong ma te mun pulin ni po kaum no. The result of the written examination of local language paper Khasi language paper for the post of sectional assistant held on the 2nd May 2026 is hereby declared. The eligible candidates bearing the following roll numbers are hereby declared to have qualified to appear for the next stage of the recruitment process. Te beri bukan ni kayu la mi result jong ni ka local language paper ma Khasi language paper ma tu te ka post dari jong sectional assistant tingin page mentar beri ki roll numbers ma ki eligible candidates ma te ki haban le saka way kayu ki ba qualify pen appear sa ka next stage jong ni kayu ma pi into have to qualify to appear for the next stage of the recruitment process ki roll numbers ki bon dengan scroll kum ni sa cepat jadi pi ma.
You